today I'm here with UNice here again. So this is a box, just like usual, same packaging. So as I open the box, first thing I see is the wig, and then I got a little bag here with stuff in it. Has a edge brush and comb, a pair of earrings, and a pair of mink lashes. Love that for me. And I got a wig cap. And lastly in the box, I have a drawstring bag. Perfect for storage, perfect, you know, after I cleanse the wig and such. I can just store it in this very same bag. That's all that came in the package today. So let's see what this wig is like. So I got another one of these gorgeous body wave wigs. Look at how bouncy it is. I really love these kind of body wave wigs, you know. Yes, I love them. It's lightly pre-plucked and it's this gorgeous brown color. I'm going to put the specifications of this wig in the description box as well. It's also 24 inches long and it's a medium cap size. It is a 13x4 lace front. Honestly, it does look a little bit shorter than that, but that's what it is. And it has a total of 3 combs on the inside and adjustable straps in the back. Oh, and it came with a center part. So I'm gonna proceed to installing this. It's so gorgeous.
So I proceeded to applying the wig just like I always do. One thing I noticed with these pre-curled body wave wigs is like the front, like the bang area, it's always laid towards the face, if you understand what I mean. Like it literally, the root of the hair, it's literally like laid towards your eyes. So that I always have to ensure I kind of push that back with my got2b or my wax stick when I'm using my hot comb, because it doesn't lay to the side, it lays to the front. Anyways, I proceeded to do it my usual. I got my got2b spray and I just started to lay it down. It was so easy to work with, like, to be honest, and I love the fact that it's pre-plucked. Honestly, getting the wigs pre-plucked makes life so much easier. It's just like so much easier, and it also helps. I feel like it makes the lace portion more durable as opposed to when you have to go in yourself and kind of pluck it. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but like, it's just an observation that I've made. It just doesn't shed as easily over time when it comes pre-plucked. I pretty much got past the whole installation portion. I mean, it's nothing that you have never seen me do, you know. And no, I did my baby hairs, and I just move on to laying the hair with my wax stick and my hot comb. Honestly, I feel like I want to upgrade to this hot comb. It's really hot here, but I don't know, I feel like I could be getting a flatter look. I don't know, could just be me. No man, I know I definitely could be getting a flatter look, but I mean, yeah, I think I want to get a crimper and a new hot comb. So I made my parting a little bit more defined with some concealer, and I pretty much moved on to layering the bang area, because this just makes the curls fall way nicer. And to get really nice, voluminous and full looking curls, just give it some layers and boom, you're good. Like, your hair will look so gorgeous. So yeah, I just took my T3 curling iron, which is the bomb. I love this curling iron, and that's literally it.
I'm all done with this installation, guys. All done. As you can see, I just did the same thing that I always do in the front here. I kind of just layered it a little bit, and I took my curling iron and I just redefined the curls in the front. Well, the curl, because it was just like the bang area, so I could get it falling exactly how I wanted it. It's so nice. Yeah, it's a really nice color. I feel like this is perfect for fall. And the hair, it's silky, it's processed, so you do feel a little bit of coarseness, to be honest, but it is very nice and silky. Yeah, so I like that. Also, of course, it's gonna hold a curl well because this is body wave. It's expected to, you know. And the lace portion is really nice. So UNice came through once again with the good quality, so I am pleased with that. As usual, I'm going to list all the specifications in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. Also the direct link where you can order this here for yourself. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and just stay tuned for my next wig look. Also tune into my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Your girl got some really nice lengthy vlogs over there, so go ahead, check it out. And I'm very consistent, so yeah. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just want me to go put yourself.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in color.